Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to change the header color here in Google Docs. So first you want to go to the very top of your page and then double click to access the header. Then you're going to click on Insert up here. Then click on Drawing, click on New. Then you want to insert a shape over here by clicking this option. Click on Shapes. Then you want to choose the rectangle. Then just go ahead and make a rectangle over here. Then you want to click on Fill Color over up here. Then choose the desired color. After that, just click on Save and Close. Then click on the shape. Then this option will appear. You want to choose this last option that says in front of text. Then this option will appear. Click on it. Then choose Fix Position on Page. Then you just want to go ahead and resize the shape to fit the header. Like so. And there you go. Thanks for watching.